हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। आज हम टॉपिक्स को देखेंगे जिसका नाम है रिप्रोडक्शन इन एनिमल्स। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। वी नो दैट सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन टेक प्लेस विद द फ्यूजन ऑफ द मेल एंड द फीमेल गैमेट्स, but where are these male gametes formed? Male gametes are formed in the male reproductive system. Let us now discuss the structure of the male reproductive system in humans. This area is known as seminal vesicle. This area is Pott's gland. This is testy, and this is urethra. This is penis, and this is vast difference. The human male reproductive system include a pair of testes, two sperm ducts, and a penis. But what is the function of this structure? Testes. They produce the male gametes called sperms. Sperm duct. They help in conducting the sperm from the testes to the penis, from where they are discharged outside the body. Penis. The penis help in the introduction of sperms into the female reproduction tract. The main function of the male reproductive tract is to produce sperm and to conduct the sperm outside via the penis. Let us now learn about the structure of a sperm. The human sperm is very small in size and can only be observed under the microscope. A sperm has three distinct parts: head, middle piece, and tail. The tail helps the sperm to move inside the female reproductive tract in order to reach the egg and fertilize it. Only the head portion of the sperm enters, while rest of the portion remains outside of the egg at the time of fertilization. Do you know that around 500 million sperms are produced daily inside the female reproductive tract? You know that reproduction takes place with the fusion of the male and the female gametes. But where are these female gametes formed? Female gametes are formed in the female reproductive system. Let us discuss the structure of female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries, a pair of fallopian tubes, and a uterus. But what is the function of this structure? The function of the ovary is to produce egg, which is also called ova, which are female gametes. Ova are then released into the oviduct for fertilization. Unlike sperms, which are produced in millions, only one egg is produced by each ovary alternatively year, month after fertilization. The growing zygote attaches itself to the uterus and gets divided to form an embryo. The main function of the female reproductive system is to produce eggs and to provide nourishment to the developing fetus. Some interesting facts. Do you know that an ovum is the largest cell in the female body? The average lifespan of an ovum is around 12 to 24 hours. दैट्स इट। मिलेंगे अगली वीडियो में, तब तक लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।